my God! That boy gone!
You didn't let me build.
You took it.
Welcome back to another episode of This vs. That. Today's matchup is going to be radical because we got something that shouldn't be fast versus something that, well, should be fast. But you know what? You never know how this is going to turn out because one car could be an absolute sleeper.
It's one of those matchups that's really spicy.
Oh! And none of this would be possible without our friends at CSR2, the world's most popular mobile drag racing game.
150 million downloads, 500 cars from 65 manufacturers. You can race, you can restore, you can do all kinds of stuff.
The rad thing is, the more you race, the more rewards you unlock. And you can even upgrade to Race Pass and you can unlock premium rewards in the game.
That means you upgrade while you upgrade. Sometimes you might have to sit there and wait, but no longer with the Race Pass. You get there faster to make your car faster, so you no longer have to look slow.
You want universal fusion parts? This is the way to do it.
If you want to check it out, click the link in the description, download it, and enjoy.
That's right. So let's do some universal Hoonigan and get to this goddamn tarmac.
What's up, sir? What's your name? Where are you from?
Hey, what's up? My name is Brian Camacho and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada.
What'd you bring here?
So this is a 2016 Subaru STI built by my shop, Kaiju Motorsports. Everything was done in-house for the most part. It's a shop build to showcase what we can do.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You do all the fab in-house? Or is
No.
Okay.
That's something we can't do in-house. We have our good friend Jesse over at JDL, Phoenix.
Here, I'll hold the hood for you. Oh, you got the Varis hood?
Yeah, Varis hood, Varis fenders.
okay.
No, this is a legit build. There's
Yeah?
nothing cheap in this build.
Obviously, there's a lot happening here, so let's start from the base.
Yeah.
The block.
The long block is actually an IEG 1150.
Okay.
So rated to a 1,150 horsepower.
Okay.
STI transmission with the IAG PPG gear set 1 through 4.
Okay.
Garrett G42 1200C turbo. So big turbo.
That's a big boy.
Are you good?
Are you stock displacement?
Yeah,
2.5?
still Stu 5.
Okay. What are you revving out to?
We're revving out to about 85.
Ooh,
yeah, so we're getting up there.
You told me earlier this is a fresh build.
Yes.
Like you have like barely any seat time in this thing.
Yeah.
Just wing it.
The engine was put back a week ago.
Okay.
We tuned it on Sunday, tested on Monday, and now we're here.
It's hard to make a Subaru engine bay look good. It just is.
Yeah.
It's not the prettiest motor, but man, you did it. This is a look right here.
Yeah.
The meets front and rear on an all-wheel drive car. Like this is such a sick setup.
This is Bellic Industries beadlock wheels, drag wheels, front and rear. So we got a 15-inch wheel to fit on the car. So we had to go with Willwood's drag brake setup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Because the Brembos will
Yeah, so the Brembos will definitely not clear theirs.
Dude, these are
Yeah.
gummy.
That's a 10.
Mickey Thompson, 26-inch ET drag, slicks, bias ply.
And it's same width, front and rear.
Same with front and rear.
What are you running for suspension?
Coilovers, they're Olin Street and track right now.
Okay.
I think these are great coilovers. They're working great.
Yeah.
Maybe just a more drag specific coilover. You know, I got the Racer X lower front control arm so I could just camber a caster
Okay.
from the bottom and the top. And then in the back, I got a lot of Cusco products.
Man, what kind of exhaust we got going on here?
So JDL, when they fabricated everything in the engine bay, they fabricated the full downpipe turbo back.
Oh, wow.
So he did 4-inch exhaust all the way back with a titanium tip muffler, and he did a Helmholtz resonator right there. That's titanium.
That right there?
Yeah,
Oh,
that right
man,
there.
yeah.
I respect that on a build like this, you still want to have good sound. You're not gonna just straight pipe it from the back. You don't want the rasp or anything.
It's all about function.
Yep.
Everything comes together.
Yeah, I respect that because a lot of times, yeah, you'll see somebody come by with a 4-inch pipe. You still got like all the stamping on the side and everything. It's like, man, who's doing the plumbing
Yeah.
here? First thing I see on the inside, you got the Motec display.
Yep.
Like really nice. Is that a custom bezel or do they make that?
That is actually a custom holder for the dash. It looks amazing. It works. So and everything is functional on it. So
Okay.
yeah, it gives
So
us a lot of data.
You're running Motec M150.
Yep.
Got the staging brake here that we were
Yep.
talking about. Can we talk through transmission? Like the STI 6-speed, they take a lot of power, but at this level, you probably did something.
For the transmission, we did IG synchronized PPG drag gear set, along with their transfer gear and Cusco LSD in the front.
And we got a custom seat going on here. We got the Brids.
So the Cusco Brid seats.
Dude, I like how simple it is, but like tastefully done. This is a really, really nice build. Dude, I'm excited to see it go down the strip. This is gonna be sick.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited too. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
So yeah, we are coming back to SEMA this year, and we're bringing the Burnyard, and we're bringing the Thunder, baby!
Guys ready to thrash?
That's right, 2 shows a day. We are bringing out all the heavy hitters. Jose from the bakery, cars burning up, Jay Caldwell and that clapped out Corella DeVille mobile.
Rev limiters, fire, turbos, all the stuff. And if that's not enough, we're also doing SEMA Fest right after SEMA. It's a music festival. We're gonna be putting on music of our own with rev limiters, shows from daily transmission, mini space races, maybe even a monster truck. Check it out, get your tickets. SEMA Fest right here. All the info you need.
They told us we could do whatever we want, so we're building jumps and we're building trucks. Bringing the Thunder, baby. You better show up, because I'm not doing this by myself. We're doing it for you. We're doing it for the people. Singing the music of the people.
Today we have one of my favorite race vehicles, the F-150, with our driver.
How's it going?
Go ahead and give us your name and your shop and what's going on today.
My name's Rafa. I'm from Pomona. This is my twin turbo F-150.
What year?
It's a 2020.
Nice. What do we got this thing inside the motor?
Stock motor.
With bolt-ons.
Well, yeah, the turbo bolt-on turbos.
It's just a bolt-on turbo kit off the shelf, normal everyday driver.
Yep.
Just the bolt-on board.
Now join the class of the F-150 guys, and you got these 2 burly things. What are these producing as far as power to the wheels? Because you've got a dyno, correct?
Yeah. A good 900 to the wheels.
Well, as you guys know on these shows, the F-150s have absolutely dominated. You can literally go buy these off the shelf, buy these bolt-ons, and do really well. No more Mustangs, buy F-150s. So obviously these aren't factory.
No, I'm running Mickey Thompson's 315 5517, some big boy. And I'm running Bogart's 17x11 in the rear. Got them custom made. Took a while, you know, but I wanted them my way, you know, red and all that, you know. Shout out
Single
to Bogart
beadlock?
for the good. No, it has like a little double beadlock.
Double beadlock. So double beadlock front and back, aluminum wheels.
It's a 3-piece, yeah.
3-piece, and then the same matching tire front and back.
Yes, all
so
around.
So you have a square tire.
Yes, all around.
Did you change your gear ratio in the axles to run these tires, or is this a factory gear ratio?
It's a factory, I haven't changed it yet. I'm running 373s.
Again, you guys, store-bought truck, bolt-ons, and look how great these things do. He made a Home Depot joke in one of our previous films. He could go to Home Depot, he could throw stuff in here. Look, there is nothing in here. Empty, empty, empty. Factory stock bought truck. Love you, dude, love you. What do we got going on in here?
Stock interior, full weight, you know, nothing.
I see one thing that's not stock, besides your watch.
That's the boost controller, control the boost. That's my hand gauge right here.
So this is just for boost control?
Yeah,
and
to
then
control
what is
the
this
boost.
for?
That's my scramble button.
And what does scramble put you from stock boost to what?
Well, the scramble is mostly for like leash controller. I can set up different stages. So say I could set up my first stage at 14 pounds. Second stage, I could set it in 1 second to hit 16 pounds. Third stage, I could set it to like 18 and hit 18 pounds. And then the boost controller, I could set it like 20, 21,
so
22 pounds, just in case I'm losing or something. This is more like of an emergency, you know, like boom, hey.
In the races today, we have cameras.
Right.
So if we see you pushing this button, we're gonna be expecting 20-some pounds of boost.
No, definitely not. I'll blow it up. It's stock motor.
So we're gonna be
There's so
watching,
much I can
guys,
do.
on the video. If his thumb is on the magic button, you know what he's doing. He's praying for the fast. Again, everything's stock. Beautiful
Yeah,
interior.
stock. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
I hate F-150s, but they win.
I'm a Ford truck man. That's all I drive. That's actually that's incorrect, but I'm gonna go for the Ford. That thing's sick.
Automatic, 4-wheel drive. He's got a shift with a clutch. I'm gonna go F-150.
It's gonna be the truck. There's no way it's not gonna be the truck. It's the truck.
I normally would not go against the truck, but I just recently built a Subaru rally car, so I kind of want to just jump on that side of the camp.
Always the Ford. Whenever one of these shows up, they always just decimate. It's just a fact to life.
Justin, I'm high as shit right now. Boy, off this E85 these cars got going on. I'm gonna go with the Subaru. Throw an onion in the wrench, you know what I'm saying?
What does that mean?
Can we acknowledge that he refused to test it? He just wants to race. He said, "Fuck this bullshit."
He looks
That's some
bored.
confidence.
This man looks bored as can be.
Got full interior, a seatbelt, and slicks all around.
You can't fit a bucket seat in. You have to
I
run.
don't think I'll fit in.
You only have to run contractor spec cloth seats to have a fast F-150.
Have you not noticed everybody that's brought an F-150 is shaped like a contractor? Like,
What does that mean? I mean, wait, this coming from the dude wearing contractor glasses. Yeah.
We're gonna need about 10 layers.
Get him a clipboard.
Yeah.
I'd love to beat your ass up and down this place. I gotta go back to work.
You're fired.
The launch.
You know what though? If he didn't bog and miss 2 shifts, I think he might actually have a chance.
Yeah.
He's actually
They both bogged.
I feel like Gary's
bogged.
faster out of the line.
Did the
Yeah,
truck?
well, you kind of like, you hit the truck real fast. The truck didn't build up any boost. You want that Subaru sitting. And then you
All right. Took that win. Subaru bogged off the line. Did you get a little bit of bog too?
Yeah, I didn't build a two-step too good. It went too quick.
Yeah. Brad did you a little dirty.
Brad didn't let me build a two-step.
Dang.
Damn, Brad.
You gotta, Brad, what are you doing?
You know when you give the dog a bone, like the dog gets the light shine on once a day? Well, there he goes. He got his one light a day.
We're giving dogs bones out here.
Definitely.
Anyway, the Lightning takes the first win. Subaru loses, but you know, we still got 2 more races to go.
That's why we need lights, because they don't play games.
Right.
Light just goes on. And
Right. Yeah, there's no guessing. Meanwhile, we got the tree here.
Oh, bueno, bueno.
I transcend race, hombre.
All right,
He
dude.
got some spice.
I underestimated the Subaru. I think so. Subaru by 3 cars.
Let's go. I gotta say that the F-150 didn't really leave that hard though, so I
Yeah.
wonder if he needed a little more time to build up something.
Unless he's sandbagging.
But he got 33 gears. What do you need more time for? You can catch him up in one of them things.
He got 10 speeds.
The Subaru got out.
We got to do some negotiation here, right? So what do we want and what are we willing to give?
Give me the go.
You just want the hit? Hit to 1,000?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
Let's do it. Shay got it.
Thanks.
Make it happen, baby.
Woo!
You put those boys heads up.
That's a good race. It's a good race.
A good heads up run with enough boost out of both.
Yeah.
But that was run 3, so whoever won this one takes the cake.
He doesn't even want to talk to me anymore. He's all mad at me right now.
You didn't let me build.
He took it. He took
He
it.
didn't let me build.
He took it.
Give me the watch. Give me the watch. Give me the watch.
Dang, nice
Finally
work,
let me
dude.
build bulls.
You
Yeah.
won. He's in my hug. Lift him. That table and wins it.
Yeah, he's got a power bomb. Prediction. I put my money on you, so thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, well, there you have it. Another F-150 takes a cake. Is anybody going to come here and beat one of these trucks?
Please bring some.
Technology versus grandpa.
Did you Now you gotta convince him to do a 40 roll because he's crying about this and that.